Okay, so far we talked about the CompTIA A plus and No plus certification and then other vendor certifications. Okay, this module is from now on it's going to be most critical and essential informations to become a A plus certifications test. Okay, so basically what it's going to cover and then how to pass the exam and then what kind and what type of module or curriculum you have to study. So the A plus exam, there's no Mac questions, there is no Linux, okay, there's no Windows servers, or there's no Windows mobile devices, okay, and it only covers the XP, Vista, Windows 7, okay, and then there is no exam on Windows 8, okay. So in the Windows 8 is not going to be on the exam. Okay, and back in about 20 years ago, people changed the new exam programs. They only have a multiple choice. Okay, there's no essay or there's no simulations. Now they got some mixed environments. They got some simulation tests. Okay, and drag and drop, that kind of stuff. Okay, so for example, this is a multiple choice exam. Okay. And then this one is they're going to give you a diagram here, and then you can move the mouse and point out where the component is. Okay, so click on the location of the process socket in the pictures. Okay, so you have to point it where your CPU socket is. Okay, and this is traditional multiple choice. And then 220-801, there's a 5 domain, and then there's a percentage on the question here. Okay, so PC hardware, 40%. So definitely you have to know the PC hardware. Without knowing the PC hardware, you're going to be failed. Okay. So there's a lot of weight on the networking also. Even though it's the A plus itself, the computer itself, there's a lot of networking questions. The 801. So laptop 11, printer 11, operational procedures 11%. Okay, that's the 801. 802 exam is also the operating systems. You have to know the operating systems: XP, Vista, Windows 7. Okay, and then the troubleshooting skills, the more weight. Okay, and then mobile device and then securities. Okay, so as you can see, there are different exams, but as I said in the before, you would rather take the exam together, okay? Even though you take today one exam, tomorrow the different exam, okay? If you cannot schedule it the same day, okay? That's my recommendation. Okay, and then each chapter shows that what covers on the exam, okay? And then how to take the test. Okay, so you can call this number 800 number. Basically, Prometric Test Center in the worldwide. So you can go to website Prometric website or Pearson BUE. Okay, so another number, another website. Okay, the cost of the exam, okay, $178. This is a one exam only. Okay, so you can multiply how much it costs, about more than $300. Okay, and then exam type is a pass and fail. Okay, there is no score for that. Just you show up the pass and fail. And then do not pay this amount, by the way. Okay, always look up the internet. There's a discount voucher. Okay, you can use. Okay, okay. This is a general. You guys already know as students, but there's not enough to emphasize this strategy, okay, to pass the CompTIA A plus exam, okay? So basically you set the date as a goal when you take the exam, okay? And make sure you got enough time for study, okay? And then there's a practice test, okay? You got a practice test on that, okay? And then I personally guarantees here, okay? If you follow my class, okay? And then at least one time you read the books, okay? I personally guarantee you can pass the exam. Okay? So, read the book at least once, okay? And then show up to class without missing any class, okay? And at the end of, there's a practice test that I can give you, and then you practice with that one. And then you 100%, I said 200% you can pass the exam, okay? Unless you are really, I just said, it's a 16 years old passed the exam, okay, here, okay? So it's not hard, okay? And then here, I'm only not, teach the, passing the exam. I already also give you hands-on practice also. So there's practice, okay? And then use good study strategy here, okay? Write down informations, make a flashcard, okay? Study a special, and you set a special time to study regularly, okay? That's important, okay? I lost the slide here. Okay. Actually, that's the last slide, I think.
Yep.
Isn't it?
Yep. That is the last slide.
That's the last slide. Okay, good.